just making magic with my friends. Crafting dreams with paper and lace, a smile on every face. Colors swirl, our hearts align. In this artful space we shine. Tiny brushes, beads and strings, creating joy, oh what it brings. Scissors snip and ribbons tie, together we can touch the sky. We can touch the sky. Crafting dreams with paper and lace.